3D printing is the best way to quickly produce a forming tool for your Vaquform. One print can go a long way in terms of producing multiple copies. In this video, we'll show you the optimal print settings to get the best forming results. Prepare your model in your slicing software. We use the Ultimaker Cura app, which is a free software you can get on their website, and we highly recommend it. After printing, we recommend putting small vent holes, especially in the deepest areas or in places where air will most likely get trapped. This is also the reason why you'll want no bottom layer on your print. The air going through the vent holes will be able to escape from the bottom. We hope this video helped. Check our Vaquform support playlist for more tips and tricks, and for more information, visit vaquform.com.